Hello everybody, I'm here and I'm here for a new video. So, these are our new pet birds. We also got a new pet dog named Sparkle. I'll do that in the next video. So today we're, our three birds. We have Josh, Alex, and my sister's, what is her name again? What is Sage's name? Thunder? I don't know. Thunder something. My little sister's just crazy. Yeah. They're friendly birds, see? This is their third day of being with us. And they're not very used to it. Oh, see? They're not very used to it. This is my bird. See? You know, it's a new day, so yeah. They probably still remember us. It's just, they're probably just still, not sure about it. About yesterday, you know. There's our cat Venture. Let me see you, Sparkle. So yeah, these are my three birds. Put in the comments what you liked below, and that's Sage's friend, Riley. So yeah, she's not here. She's just spending the night again. So yeah, we just woke up. So whatever. So yeah, our birds. Mine, Sage's, and Matthew, which you have met before. Sage, you kind of have. And there's their food and their water. Trust me, there's water in there. So yeah. See? They're friendly birds. They usually tweet, but yeah. So that's all for this today, and have a good one.